Which one's the Polaroid?
This is the one that I use. A lot of those pictures that your dad's watching it, the Blue Angels.
Yeah.
I took them with it.
This one?
Yeah.
It looks like a canteen. Does this open up? Oh yeah, it does. Make sure both sides are closed. Did you ever open up a roll of film before it was done?
No. Well, it'll ruin.
Yeah, you never ruined a film?
It ruins the film when you open it. Wait, let me see.
I know, I'm asking if you ever did on accident.
The hell you open this sucker.
Está un retrato ahí de, vean, fuimos a, que jugamos béisbol y era un Easter, and tenían de esos cascarones,
Oh.
los que llenaban.
Shit like that.
Oh, Walmart has them ahorita.
Oh, sí, y luego yo, todo tipo, iba y yo,
Sit down, my friend.
y no me dejaba, my hair was off limits. Por no verme quebró un huevo. Y se me
That's the camera?
Yeah.
quedó el cabello de café.
How old is that camera?
Shit, I don't know.
Lo agarraron el retrato ahí.
Older than me?
Oh, yeah.
Yo no sé quién lo retrató.
Did you buy it new?
I heard they also buried.
I don't remember. And then you could use two kinds of films, the 75 and the 300. This is to focus it, you know, like that,
Mm-hmm.
La perdió.
and then you see it through here.
Pues yo, cuando me peinaron, que me-
And then you take a picture with this.
como hacían muchos teas,
Like that.
yo metían la peinada uno.
So did you give it back to the neighbor?
Ya.
So is this part broken right here?
Y luego tenía yo
Is that part broken?
flores, se peinaban
Which one?
It looks kind of like messed up.
Y luego entró Charlie
No.
Right here?
y tenía yo flores todo alrededor, los años. Y luego me
No, this like to use a light.
Yeah. So like where would you take pictures with this? Where would you go to take pictures with it?
Every place you want to take a picture, and this is where the film will go. It's a big film, and you slide it in there,
Where?
in here,
Oh, okay.
in on the back here. That's where the film goes.
poner una semilla y salió un anillo como de litros de plástico que salían en
Can't get it open.
algo así, ¿no? Porque digo yo a Terry que si se puede, él dice que no era de ella.
I think that's where the batteries went.
Pero here,
With double A's?
y los que vivían aquí antes eran
See the battery there. But I don't know what kind of batteries, cause. And then once you put the battery on in the film, and in the film, it would go here too. But I cannot open it, sucker.
el álbum. Tengo un álbum, puro retrato de Terry y dibujos. I don't know.
You don't remember how much it was?
No.
What does it say right there? It says Polaroid what?
Terry salió
Cold
and
cold clip 193.
traía un carro,
Used for color pictures at oh they are colored pictures.
iban en el carro,
Oh cool.
so
Made in the US.
le puso reverse cuando iban en el carro. Y se enojó,
So out of all these cameras, which one do you like?
Huh?
Out of all the cameras, which one do you like the most?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
¿Qué le dijiste? Dice porque le dijo que
You got famous people, right? You took pictures of famous people on it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I got pictures. I got a bunch of pictures of Lee Trevino on that one.
The golfer?
Yeah.
Oh, sí.
I think you know enough.
The father? Yeah. Used to work at a jewelers or
Anthony's.
oh, Anthony's, is that what it was?
Ahí junto el